Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I come with a new TRX mining website. This website is very special because this website will provide you a huge profit and if you activate your account. And first I disconnect my VPN because I use it for using a Telegram, so I disconnect it. And I will provide you a link in the description. You can check out this website, and I go to the registration page of websites, and you can see the registration page of this website is very simple. Here you can see the registration page. First I tell you the name of this website is trx-trx.com. This is the name of this website, and you can see that here is the invitation code, mobile phone number, login password, security password, and this verification code. I will fill all these details step by step. First I describe you what is invitation code. If you click on my refer here, already put it an invitation code, such my invitation code is that. And you can see that I put my this invitation code here, and for example here's my invitation code is that. And you can see that my invitation code successfully put it, and here is the portion of mobile phone number. Here I put my mobile phone number. I cannot show you my phone number because many people trying to enter in my account and entered a wrong password. Therefore the company will freeze my account because it is against to the privacy policy of this websites. And this is the login password is required when you're trying to enter into the website, such as after one day you want to withdraw your money from this website. You go to the website homepage, the web required a login password and username such a phone number, and you need a login password. Therefore you can put the rememberable code here, and in the down you can see data security password. It is required when you're trying to withdraw your money from this website such as after one day you want to withdraw your money in the form of TX from this website. You need to put this code in the withdrawal portion and get your withdrawal in your account. And this is the most important captcha. You can put this captcha into the verification code portion, such as like this I put here. You can see that here my captcha is 6123, and you can see that here 32 as my sorry यहाँ पर here is wrong password है. I put my 6232 is my password, and my captcha is that. And I click on a registration page after filling all these details in clearly, and I fill already and made account on it. You can register and enter into the websites. I go to the websites and put this phone number here and put my captcha like this 6532 and click on a login portion. You can see that here I entered into the website. Welcome to trx.com. TRX was established in Singapore in 2018 and currently has more than 10 built self mines and cooperative mines around the world. The total circulation of CMC created by Tron Foundation is that it is expected to complete the simultaneous listing of 130 global exchange product before June 01 2022. Customer services, consultation, WhatsApp, Telegram, and this is the Telegram account. You can chat this customer service and get the answer of your question. And you can see that this website has a very beautiful look. And first you can see that I have a 5000 TRX as a gift to joining this website. And here you can see that many portions of this website, but I clearly describe you one by one these all portion: partner, mall, gift, games, active, and other. And this is the portions of this website very necessary to complete give you a review. You can see here that this is a language option. You can change your web language into many languages such as English, Malaysian, and other Turkish language. And this is the notification option. You can click on notification to get your the announcement of the websites. And I go back to then you can see that this is the mobile phone number to for a customer services hotline. And TRX has a powerful computing power based on Tron, allowing very TRX to dash TRX user to realize the powerful advantages of investment, income, promotion, commission, daily settlements, and real time withdrawal. You have any question, please contact the official customer services working out to answer you. Thank you all. And this is the customer services contact number. You can check this and get your question answered by using these social medias. I go back to the home option, and here you can see data two option: recharge and withdraw. These two portions are very necessary. I will give you a review at the end. First I give you a review about another 5 to 6 parts of this website, such this team, partner, mall, gifts, game, activity. and I click on a team option. This is a portion required when you watch your team how many persons are under in your refer, such as I have no refer in this website because I have joined this account newly. And this is the partner option. You can see that TRX is a long term partner. The following are listed exchange where TRX can be purchased for the charging: BX, Binance, Ubia, and other are these partner of this website. And you can see that here there are many partners, and you can read and you can check these are the wallets supporting for exchanging and withdrawing from these websites. And in the down you can see a mall option. This is option is very important when your refer join these websites and earn a daily and money you can get in the score in the form of TRX. And in the down you can see a gift. This portion is coming soon, and I click on a game option. This portion is also coming soon, and this is a active option. This activation fees I already describe you when you registered successfully you received a 5000 TRX digital currency accumulated deposit 5 to 50,000 TRX and get minimum daily income 5% cumulative too. These are the SAR cumulative deposits, and you can check out this. The minimum is 5% and maximum is 10%. So user registered to recharge by sharing the promotional link, and the promotion wallet can get TRX rewards. The promotion account will receive the top up amount 13% for the first level, 6% for the second level, and the 3% for the third level. If you want to join the event, you must actively contact the service application at the time limit is before 2020 on the day, otherwise it will take effect the next day. If you have any question, please contact the official customer services working or to answer you. Thank you who for your understanding and support. And this is the telegram for link you can check out and get your question answer. This is the I already describe you how you can active your account, and at the end I give you how you earn and how you deposit and how you withdraw from this video. Please website, please watch the video complete. This is the welcome to trx-trx.com. first I describe you already this portion and I go back to the another portion. This portion is very important. I describe all this portion clearly. Please read and listen carefully information. Welcome to trx-trx.com. trx-trx.com is headquartered in Singapore. It comes from the founding technology R&D team of TRX-TRX. The development of the centralized encrypted wallet model started on the Tron network. The profit model is based on the daily calculations of cloud data collections miners in your trx-trx.com account. The profit model of the basic account is the profit obtained by the miner from calculating the data for you. You deposit in the basic account, the system will allocate to your basic account, collect and calculate the miner working for you, earn 5% of income every day because the miner are cloud data computing, so your income is permanent. And trx-trx is the first production team to develop a mining machine model. The income of wealth management and products in your investment account is stable income which can be managed and controlled by the TRX R&D team. More financial product will be launched in the future to allow more users to have a better experience. The original intention of TRX funding team is to jointly develop the future and create permanent benefits for every user. So please do not compare trx-trx.com with any other similar platform. Advanced ideas can always be imitated. This is an event that the TRX team cannot prevent. Please cherish the prevent benefits of TRX every day. This will be your best investment experience. You can listen this information clearly. I go back to the websites and give you another view. In the down you can see that all viewers, I click on a daily withdrawal option, but it is I explain you at the end. And here you can see that a wallet option. This is a wallet exchange entrance. This is a wallet account. This is a promotional account. You received your referred income in your promotional account. The active user of this website is that, and accumulated profit data is that. And in the down you can see that TRX market performance is that the market of TRX phenomenon. And I am going to describe you how you earn money from this website. You can click on a trade. I explain you in the starting. This website will provide you automatically mining, and you can earn a TRX mining. And you can see that a cloud mining is working 5% daily profit. You can activate this by depositing a small amount of TRX. And I click on a investment option. This portion is coming soon, and I click on a share option. This portion is very necessary. You need to join a more and more refer under your account. You can get click on a copy link and share this link to your friends who invest in these websites and get automatically profit from these websites. And I go to the mine option. This portion is very important to describe. You recharge 5 TRX to activate the account, and accumulated profit recharge 300 TRX can withdraw money as a gift account. And in the down you can see content as team, my team, and submit a ticket, transaction record, station news, balance conversation, login password, and download an app. You can download the app of these websites. I click on station news. This portion is very important because I already described not you this portion, and I am going to describe you investment income details. This portion is already described TRX that has a powerful computing power based on Tron, so that every TRX user can realize the powerful advantages of investment, income, promotion, commission, daily settlement, and real-time withdrawal. Once you invest in TRX, you will get more than 5% daily income withdrawal every day for your life. We will always run it. Recommended. You can check the all recommended information, and you can check this reward. All user invite 10 user who have recharged more than 200 TRX. Content me after completion. You will get 100 TRX reward. Come on, this event is permanently valid. Please note that the additional for inviting user is user who deposit more than 200 TRX. And this is the reward portion. You can check this, and I go back to the mine option to describe you how you can deposit amount in this website. I click on a deposit portion to invest in our deposit, and I go back to show you the portion of deposit, and you can see that here my mobile, and you can check this, and I go back to the mine option, and I click on this portion, and this is the mine, and this is the deposit option. I click on a deposit option. Here you can check the two portions, such as basic account and such as an investment account. There are two methods: recharge and transfer to the basic account and receive the income according to the Singapore time zone. When the recharge is transferred into the investment account, you can receive the income according to different cycle and return the principal and income. Before investing, please choose a basic account or investment account according to your needs. And if you want to earn money from this website, you can click on a basic account. Such as you can see that click on a basic account. This is my withdrawal deposit address. I click on a copy address to send him a TRX in the form of TIRC 20 USDT. And you can see that tips: please do not recharge other non-TRXs. It will be recorded about 5 to 10 minutes after recharging. If it has not arrived for a long time, please refresh this page. I go to my trust wallet account to send him a 20 TRX as a demo. Such as I click open my account, and I click on a send option, and you can see that here I paste my link and click on a 20 TRX and click on a confirm option, and you can check your link is correct or incorrect. After checking all the information, click on a confirm option. Such as I click on a confirm option, you can deposit in this website by more than these, such as I already described you how much wallets are supporting to this. Here you can see that my transaction are in a pending, and you can see that suddenly my transaction sent to the company, and you can see that cut from my account. I go back to my websites and click on a recharge completed to get my recharge in my wallet. Application submitted. I wait 5 to 10 minutes. In 5 to 10 minutes, I describe you the white paper of this website. I open this white paper and describe you and other information about this website. Sorry friends, I have no information about the white paper of this website, and the client does not provide me the link. And I show you the how to withdraw your money from this website. I wait my deposit reached in my account. I go to the mine option, and here I refresh again and again, so my deposit reached in my account. Here you can see that I refreshing again and again, but my transaction deposits are not successfully, and I wait 5 to 10 minutes, and my transaction received. I again resume the video, and now I stop this video. When my TRX deposit successfully in my account, then I resume the video again. So please wait. Hello friends, here you can see that my TRX of deposit of 20 TRX reached successfully in my account, and you can see that I am going to describe you how you can withdraw your money. I click on a withdrawal portion. You can see that your daily limit is 20 sorry 1 TRX, because I deposit a 20 TRX in this amount website. If you deposit more and more amount in this websites and get a more and more withdrawal limit, I already describe you, but I am going to describe you how you can withdraw from money from this website. So first, you can put your withdrawal address. I go to my trust wallet account to show you my trust wallet balance of TRX and copy this address. You can see that I have a 16 TRX, and I click on a receive option to receive a 1 TRX 1 in my account. I go to put this withdrawal address here in the portion of withdrawal dash withdrawal limit is my 1 TRX. First, I clear my number and put my daily limit. You can see that here is the captcha. You need to fill the captcha before submitting your request. And this website provides you an instant withdrawal. I click on a 5 by change this code, because this code is very difficult. If you do not understand the code, you can click on the captcha to change the captcha, such as this is very simple captcha. I click on a 0983 and successfully deploy my submitted requested. I wait for my TRX requested received in how much time take. First, I wait when and go to the trust wallet account to show you that I received a 1 TRX from the website, and I go to the trust wallet account and check you by refreshing the page. Here you can see that I refresh the page again and again. You can see that here I received a 1 TRX from the websites. I go to the trust wallet account and check you the 1 TRX received from the websites. And now you can see all the information about this website. Please invest in this website for getting a more and more profit. Take care. Goodbye. Please subscribe the channel and like this video. Take care. Goodbye.